Using a pressure washer is one of the fastest ways to make your house look better. In just a few minutes, you can clean a driveway, a deck, siding, or even your car, and it makes a huge difference. But the tricky part is choosing the right one. Some pressure washers are made for light jobs like cars and patio furniture, and others are made for serious jobs like concrete, fences, and larger areas. And if you pick the wrong one, you'll either waste money or waste a lot of time cleaning. So to make things easier, I went through top models, read through tons of reviews, and narrowed it down to the 10 best pressure washers. And if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all of them in the description below. First up is the Ryobi RY141802, which I ranked as the most budget-friendly. And if you've never owned a pressure washer before and just want something simple to get started, then this is a really good place to start. It's easy to use, not too expensive, and it can handle most basic jobs around the house. It works well for things like patio furniture, cars, decks, and siding. So for most people, this is more than enough for a normal home use. And one of the best things about this unit is how light it is. It only weighs about 16 pounds, so you can carry it around your yard with one hand pretty easily. And that makes a big difference when you're moving around a lot while cleaning. It also comes with a turbo nozzle, which gives you more cleaning power when you need it, especially for those tougher spots. Now the 20-foot hose is also lighter and more flexible than a lot of standard hoses, so it's easier to move around and it doesn't fight you while you're working. So if you want something affordable that does the job right, then this one from Ryobi is a good place to start. Next up is the Greenworks DWPW2600, which I ranked as the most portable pressure washer. And this thing is small. Really small. You can just pick it up with one hand and carry it wherever you need it. So if you don't want to drag a big machine around your driveway or yard, this makes life a lot easier. It still has 1700 psi, which is enough for most jobs around the house. You also get different spray tips, so you can use a wider one for those big areas or a narrower one for tougher dirt. The hose is 20 feet long, the power cord is 35 feet long, and that extra reach helps more than you think because you don't have to keep moving the machine. So if you want something light and portable to move around, then you won't be disappointed in getting this one from Greenworks. Next up is the Craftsman CMEPW2100, which I ranked as the best pressure washer for cars. And when you're washing a car, you don't just want power, you also want control. And too much pressure can damage your paint if you're not careful, but this one sits in the middle. It's strong enough to clean dirt, break dust, and road grime, but still safe for your car with the right spray tip. You also get multiple spray tips, so now you can switch between a gentle spray and a stronger one depending on what you're cleaning. There's also a built-in soak tank that makes washing your car a lot easier. And the hose is 25 feet long and it's kink resistant, so when you walk around the car, the hose doesn't twist and fight you the whole time. So if you wash your car at home and want something that has good power but still feels easy to control, then this one from Craftsman is a great choice. Next up is the Ryobi RY1419MT, which I ranked as the best compact wheeled pressure washer. And this one is for people who don't want to carry a machine, but also don't want something big and bulky taking up a lot of space. It's small, but it has wheels and a handle, so you can just roll around your driveway or yard. And that makes a big difference once you start cleaning larger areas. Carrying a pressure washer gets old fast, and this one has 1900 psi, which is a nice step up from the cheaper models. So it works well for driveways, decks, siding, fences, and other bigger jobs around the house. It also comes with a turbo nozzle, and that helps a lot when you're trying to clean really dirty spots. And one thing people really like about this one is the storage. The hose, cord, and nozzles all store right on the machine, so everything stays in one place. So if you're after something that's easy to roll, then this one from Ryobi is the right pick. Up next is the BAUER Max Performance, which I ranked as the best mid-range electric pressure washer. And this is for people who want more power but don't want to jump all the way to a big gas machine, so it sits right in the middle. The big upgrade with this one is the brushless motor. That means it runs quieter, lasts longer, and doesn't wear out as fast as cheaper models. It also has 2300 psi, which is where pressure washers start to feel a lot faster when you're cleaning. And you'll really notice the difference on stuff like driveways or siding. And this one also has a steel frame around it, so it's better protected if it gets bumped or knocked over. Now the large wheels help it too. You can roll it over grass, gravel, or a driveway without it tipping over. So if you want more power than the basic electric model, but still want something simple and reliable, then this BAUER Max Performance is a good deal. Up next is the DeWalt DWPW2600, which I ranked as the best electric pressure washer for job sites. And this is a more heavy-duty electric unit, and it's made for people who use a pressure washer a lot, not just once in a while. It has 2600 PSI, so it's very strong for an electric machine. And you can clean stuff like driveways, fences, and job site equipment without a problem. But the big difference with this one is the build quality. The frame is very solid, and it's built to handle being moved around a lot and used a lot. And it also uses a triplex pump. That just means it runs cooler, lasts longer, and can be serviced if something wears out. It's also not too heavy, and it has multiple grab points, so loading it onto a truck or moving it around a job site is pretty easy. So if you want an electric pressure washer that's strong, durable, and built more like a professional tool, then you won't regret getting this one from DeWalt. And if you want to check any of these pressure washers out, I put links to all of them in the description below. Next up is the Greenworks GPW3002A, which I ranked as the best premium electric pressure washer. And this is where electric pressure washers start to get really powerful. If you don't want to deal with gas, but still want a lot of cleaning power, then this is a great option. This one has 3000 PSI, which is about as strong as electric pressure washers get. So you can clean stuff like concrete, brick, and RVs without a problem. Now the motor is also smart. It adjusts the pressure depending on the nozzle you're using. That means you get more power when you need it and less power when you don't. This also helps save water and makes the machine easier to control. And this one is for people who want high performance but still want the simplicity of an electric machine. No gas, no engine maintenance, just plug it in and start cleaning. So if you want the most power you can get without going to a gas one, then this pressure washer from Greenworks is a solid choice. Next up is the Ego Power Plus pressure washer, which I ranked as the best cordless option. And this one is very different from most pressure washers on this list. There's no power cord, and you don't even need a water hose. It's going to run on batteries, and you can pull water from a bucket, a lake, or any freshwater source using the siphon hose. You can also use this in places where a normal pressure washer just wouldn't work. It still has a lot of power too. With 2 batteries, it can reach up to 3200 PSI, which is very strong for a cordless machine. You also get 3 cleaning modes, Eco, High, and Turbo, so you can use less power for small jobs and more power for really dirty areas. Now the batteries give you about 60 minutes of runtime, and the handle extends so it's easy to move and store. So if you want total freedom and don't want to deal with those power cords or hoses, then the Ego Power Plus is the one to choose. Next up is the Westinghouse WPX3400, which I ranked as the best gas pressure washer. Now this is where power really starts to jump. Gas pressure washers are much stronger than electric ones, and they're made for big, tough cleaning jobs. This one has 3400 PSI and 2.6 GPM. So this can clean driveways, siding, and garage floors much faster than most electric ones. And this uses a 212cc gas engine. And most people say it starts pretty easily, even when you've never used a gas one before. You also get 5 quick connect nozzles, so you can switch between different spray strengths depending on what you're cleaning. Now the 25-foot hose, built-in soap tank, and large wheels also make it easier to use and move around while you work. So if you have a big area to clean and want a lot of power, then this pressure washer from Westingham is going to be a great option. Finally, at number 1 is the Simpson Clean Machine, which I ranked as the best overall. And this one just does a lot of things really well. It's powerful, reliable, and built to last a long time. It has 3400 PSI and a 2.5 GPM, so it's strong enough for pretty much everything. It also has a CRX engine, and most people say it starts in 1 or 2 pulls and runs very reliably. And one thing that people really like about this is it comes almost fully assembled. You just have to add some oil and gas and you're ready to go. It also has large air-filled wheels, so it rolls easily over concrete, grass, and gravel. So if you're after a pressure washer that does it all, then you won't be disappointed in buying the Simpson Clean Machine. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you choose the perfect pressure washer. And if you find something you like, don't forget to check the description to find links to all the pressure washers mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.